people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, guys, I want to go over a comment that I got from someone about Kickoff. Now, the comment was, don't nobody want to buy an ebook, right? He said, don't nobody want to buy an ebook, but I was thinking to myself, you can spend $10 with this account, minimum $10, and your credit score can go up over 40 points. Who wouldn't do that? If you can spend $10 and get your credit score over 40 points, and it's not for everybody, why wouldn't you do that? Now, I told you guys when I first signed up for Kickoff, my credit score went up 37 points. So mine went up 37 points. And at the time, I didn't have to pay anything, but now they have it where you got to pay. But listen, it's only $10. And when you pay, they're going to report to the credit bureaus that you have a $500 credit account. So this is the website for Kickoff. I think that everybody should do it. And I want to show you why you shouldn't think like that, basically. So when it comes down to Kickoff, what they're going to do, here's my account right here. They're going to report a $500 credit line. So you can see right here, I have $500 available. They're going to report this to the credit bureaus, and they report it every month. So that's what they're doing. And they want you to buy an ebook. Now, the ebook start out at $10, right? But this is the best part. Your first payment is not due until about 2 months, sometimes a month. And on top of that, it's only $2 per month. So I'm going to buy an ebook with you guys right now so that you can see the full process. And what I have to do is I have to pay $2 per month. And they're going to keep reporting this on the credit bureaus. And some people that have signed up for Kickoff, they said their credit score went up over 60 points. Make sure y'all check out the comments in some of the old videos, because you guys will definitely see how Kickoff has helped them. And I'll make sure I pop up some here. But let's go ahead and buy this ebook that he doesn't want to pay for. If I can go backwards, there we go. So if you see right here, I did the Kickoff loan, and they have it, the extended payment history. To extend my payment history, they want me to make another purchase to build my credit. So let's go ahead and do it. Make another purchase. And these are all the different things that you can purchase, right? So I actually got it where you can just pay towards the credit service. You don't even have to buy the book. So 10 months of payment history, you'll pay $20, and they're going to keep reporting to the credit bureaus. Oh, wow. That's really nice. So think about it like this. If you buy any of these ebooks, you have to pay $2 per month. So the number of months of payments that you have is the number of months they're going to report to the credit bureaus. So let's go ahead and see what they have, what I may want to actually get. So 7 months of real estate 101. Oh, I like this SEO and social media strategy to reach 1,000 people. Let's get that. I like that one right there. So there we go. My estimate, I will have 10 months of payments. And then on top of that, I just have to pay $2 per month. And then after I do this, my new utilization is going to be at 4%. But think about it like this. It's a $500 credit card. I have other credit cards. My overall utilization is going to be less than at 4%. But the point that I'm only at 4% for doing this, you guys, we try to max out our credit card sometime to do this. So this is really good. So let's go ahead and click review order. So this is our full order right here. We're going to pay with our Kickoff credit account. Our credit limit is $500. My starting balance is at $0. My purchase total is $20. So my new account balance is going to be $20. But they don't charge any interest. So, that's really good. They don't charge any interest. So it's going to go down by $2 because we're not paying any fees. Our new credit utilization for this credit card is going to be at 4%. I always say, you guys, keep your balances under 5%. And look, this is at 4%. I'm getting 10 months of history. So this is the ebook that I'm buying. My total is $20. Let's go ahead and confirm this purchase. Okay, so that's perfect. Now, I paid out of pocket $0. The next time I'm going to make a payment for this ebook is going to be January 25th, and today is the 6th. So that's over a month and a half you have to make your next payment, and it's only $2, you guys. Like, If I was y'all, because I'm actually paying with this with my credit card, just put it on your credit card. It's $2, but I'm not going to have to pay that $2 for a whole month and a half. So technically, I paid nothing today, but it's going to build your credit because now I have 10 months of history. They're going to keep reporting for 10 months. And you can come back in here and buy another ebook if you want to, or your credit should be good enough at that time so you can get regular credit cards. So this is just so you guys can start off. This is not like a permanent thing where you need to make sure you're doing this every 10 months because your credit should be to the point where you don't need this. Kickoff means that they kicking you off. They're trying to give you a start. That's it. They're not trying to finish the race with you. They're trying to kick you off. So get you started. So go ahead, start with this. Get you an ebook. You don't have to get one that was $20 like I did. You can get one of the $10 ones, $12 ones. But the only reason why I did the $20 one is because it's going to be 10 months of history. And that's really good for you guys to have that 10 months of history. And you can easily buy something else to extend that history too. So you can get the whole year. But listen, it's only $10 if you want to just get started. And you guys will have more than 37 points if you have a very low credit score. So if your credit score is in the 400s, early 500s, your credit score, when you actually get this account added to your credit report, your credit score can actually be way higher than that. But let me know what you guys think of Kickoff. I'm definitely here to answer any questions that you guys may have. And don't forget, after this, I want to tell you guys about my exclusive credit membership. Make sure you guys are signing up. It's only $1 to start. So you guys have $1 trial, and in there you'll see all of the things that I put out for you guys. So you guys can learn about in regards to credit, removing accounts from the credit reports. I have letters. I have my master credit card list of over 100 credit cards. I have all of that within my exclusive membership. So go ahead, start the trial. It's only $1, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. A $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.